Your Samsung phone has this feature known as intelligent Wi-Fi, and part of that setting has a option that says switch to better Wi-Fi networks. And with that, what happens is with it turned on, it's going to avoid interruptions in terms of maybe your mobile data has gone bad or you're connected to a Wi-Fi and you want to switch back to another Wi-Fi that's faster. So it does that for you automatically and prevents any interruptions from happening. Okay, so to find this feature, let's do it together. The fastest way to this feature is using the quick access, and just go into your Wi-Fi option right here. Long press it if you have to, and that'll take you like this here. Go to details, and within the details area, you will be taken to the main Wi-Fi section. And right there at the top right, there are these three dots where you tap on it and you'll see intelligent Wi-Fi. So go into that. Once you reach here, if you do have a SIM card, it's going to have this option that allows you to switch to your SIM card if there is no Wi-Fi at the moment. And you also have this one here, which is what we're here for, the switch to better Wi-Fi networks. So automatically switch to Wi-Fi networks that are faster or more stable than your current network. So let's just say you're currently connected to a Wi-Fi that seems to be dropping or very slow, and you were previously connected to one that's faster and nearby. It will switch to that one instead, automatically avoiding any interruptions or, well, reduce lags as much as possible. Like and sub.